Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error code 280. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up browser and select three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy. On right side select third party cookies. Select see all say data and permissions. Type here Roblox. Click on the trash icon and select delete option. Just need to press Windows key and R key together. Type here percentage temp percentage. Click on OK. Now find the Roblox folder. Just right click and select delete option and just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view network status and task. Select your connection. Select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS server type 8844 and click on OK. Just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to right click on the date and time and select adjust date and time option. And you just need to turn on the set time zone automatically and turn on set time automatically. And now select the sync now option. After getting this done, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.